Yield farming is the practice of staking or lending crypto assets in order to generate high returns or rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. In short, yield farming protocols incentivize the liquidity providers LP to stake or lock up their crypto assets in a smart contract based liquidity pool. And in this video I will share a new website, a new exchange, and if you are going to start farming on this exchange you will get some good and extra incentives. Stay tuned with us. Feel uninvited. FastSwap is a decentralized protocol for automated liquidity provision on Ethereum, Tronscan, and BSC. Cross-chain swap through the parachain on Polkadot. Now in this video, I will tell you that how you can farm on FastSwap exchange and how you can acquire the Fast token. Right now, this token is available on CoinGecko. So you can check out the entire data of this token, and also you can purchase the token directly from the Uniswap exchange, Gate.io, Bilex exchange, or in last you can also buy and also you can acquire some Fast token directly from the FastSwap just by clicking on the launch app. Here you can find out MetaMask. You have to connect your MetaMask and easily you can purchase the Fast directly from here. Now moving on, I will tell you that how you can start farming on the FastSwap exchange. Here comes the entire article. You will get the link of this article in the description. Now first of all, you have to acquire some Fast from the FastSwap exchange. After acquiring it, then you have to enter the number of Fast you want to add as liquidity. It will automatically set the Ethereum needed to build the Fast Ethereum LP as 1:1 ratio. Then click supply and confirm supply. After all of these things, there is two transactions if you haven't provided liquidity before for the pair. In this case, Fast Ethereum. Approval of amount set to unlimited, so you don't need to approve it at a later date again. Confirmation of desired supply amount. So it is entirely very easy for all of you to start farming on the FastSwap exchange. This article will help you, and after reading this article you will be able to start farming on the FastSwap exchange. And also I will share the link of this one, exchange stake on. Now what is this one? FastSwap, a decentralized exchange for ERC20 tokens, is set to release a liquidity aggregator with V2 update in the first quarter of this year, in March 2021. Next week of March 2021 you will be able to use it. Here you can see in the second week of March 2021 users will be able to swap, add liquidity, stake and farm on Binance Smart Chain. We all knew all the things about the BSC. That BSC at this time is also, you can say, a huge competitor for Uniswap. The upcoming updates are part of the roadmap from the FastSwap to attract the investors and traders to use the platform. It is entirely similar to Uniswap and SushiSwap. FastSwap incentivizes liquidity providers by providing the staking yields. Furthermore, 100% of the trading fee on the platform will be given to Fast token holders for the next 1 year. Also, every trader that uses FastSwap will be given quarterly airdrops. So it means by holding some Fast tokens or by staking and farming some the Fast tokens, you will be able to participate in the airdrops. You will get some more incentives than others. So overall this project will be huge in future, and if you are going to hold this token right now, Fast token, and if you are going to start farming on the FastSwap exchange, you will definitely make some good amount of money. So as per my own idea about the price idea of this token will reach, because the entire supply is entirely low, so definitely the price will increase, and also it will go above $100 very soon. What you think? Do let me know in the comment section. This video is only and only for the farming, because it's my duty to tell you all the new things which are happening in the market right now. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.